Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your identity on KuCoin. Completing your identity or KYC in KuCoin helps you unlock higher withdrawal limits, secure your account, and comply with regulatory requirements. First of all, open the KuCoin app on your device and log into your account. Once you are done logging into your account, if you haven't verified your identity yet, tap on the Verify Now button, which is available at the top of the screen. Now you'll need to go through the verification process. Select your country or your region from your first drop-down. Now, in order to verify your identity, you'll need to upload your photo ID and go through facial recognition. Tap the Verify button and then select an ID type you'd like to upload. After selecting one of the government-issued ID, go ahead and tap on Next and then follow through the instructions till the end. Make sure to take a photo of your passport or any other verification options that you've selected and tap on Take Photo. Make sure to keep the passport or document in the frame correctly and take a picture of the front and the back of your document. Soon after you do that, you'll need to go through the facial recognition or verification process. Once you complete that as well, you will then be able to upload or submit your document for verification. KuCoin will review your documents, which may take a few minutes to several hours, and then you'll be able to submit your KYC verification on KuCoin. Once it is approved, you'll have higher withdrawal limits, added security for your account, and full access to KuCoin features. So that is how you will be able to verify your KuCoin account or verify your identity on KuCoin. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.